Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Radha, and today's video we are going to do the Oleada Workbag review. If you're not familiar with Oleada, Oleada is a woman-owned company based in New York City, well known in timeless, sustainable, and modern bags. Their bags are unique and designed to embody each woman's personal style, especially work style. Oleada really nailed it. The design, function, and utility are the best. I like that Oleada bags are not only come with a nice professional look, but they are practical for everyday uses as well. I've been collaborating with Oleada for almost a year and I love their bags so much. The styles and qualities are on top. I do like my mini anchor a lot. I'm not gonna lie, I use it so many times already. It seems small for its size, but it actually carries a tons of my essentials. So yeah, if you guys are interested in mini ankle, I will put a link in down below. I also make a video of this particular one, so if you are interested, feel free to check them out. Now let's talk about my new obsession, this Marina soft bucket bag. This is the latest collection they just launched and I am so obsessed with this two-tone color. It's just so perfect. I fell in love with this bag already. I love the cotton canvas with the black leather. I feel like it's go well together. The wavy leather trim makes overall looks a lot softer yet elegant, which I love. Definitely gonna be my new everyday work bag, and if you're interested in Oleada bags, feel free to check them out and use my code RADHAOleada to get 25% off your purchase plus $100 gift cards with any handbag purchase and free nut bag. It is the biggest Black Friday sale and I don't want anyone to miss it, and holidays are around the corner, so this is going to be a perfect gift for your loved ones. Now let's get back to this Marina soft bucket bag. Here is how it looks in the front. In the bag, there is a locket strap, so it's not only perfect for the work bag but traveling as well. And in the bottom, there is a little logo Oleada right here on the sides. This strap fully adjustable, which means that you can wear it as a handbag, shoulder bag, or crossbody bag. It is 3 ways to style this bag, which is the best. The interior is my closed suede lining, and it comes with a little pouch, which I am so excited the most. I just love the tote bag that comes with a little pouch, and this is not a small pouch at all. It is pretty big, so I love that. The exterior features between cotton canvas with the water resistance vinyl coating and the black leather nappa, which I love this combo. I feel like they go well together. What I like about it is that the straps are removable, so you can definitely take the strap off and getting the clean looks. I also love that the main straps is fully adjustable, so as you can see there are holes on both sides and you definitely can wear it so many different ways. It's pretty roomy. It fits up to 14-inch of laptop. I do have my 16-inch of laptop and I still manage to fit it in this bag, so that is good. Luckily that I don't use laptop for work, so I don't have to worry about it at all. So yeah, it is really big on the inside. I love how spacious this bag is. It's perfect for everyday essentials. This little pouch is really cute and it's also can use as a waist list. So if you just detach this one from the tote, you can definitely use this as a waistlet. This is the first way that you can do, and the second way is to attach the crabs and make it as a waistlet, which I love the idea of this little card here. Probably not gonna put my important cards or some, you know, like my ID or something, but I would definitely put like the hotel cards or something like that. I feel like it's very easy to grab. And then you have a zipper very easy to use, and the interior material is exactly the same with the tote one. It is the suede lining. I like to keep my makeup stuff, my earphone, my hand sanitizer, some of my pens and pencil, you know, like small stuff to be able to access. And yeah, I love it. I feel like it's giving an extra bag for me, and I just love the designs of it, love the colors and little details. There is a security clip that you can lock on the top so that can secure a little bit for your stuff. This is going to be my new favorite work/travel bag. I can see myself traveling with this bag. It has so many room in it, so I can just throw everything inside. I am going to be on a trip soon, and this is going to be my travel bag for sure. And I'm so excited to throw all of my essential in here. So yeah, it's definitely my favorite bag so far. If you're unsure about your work style bag, Oleada also offers the guidelines and quiz for you to discover your work style. I feel like it's fun to see what your work style really are. So yeah, feel free to check them out. I think it's really amazing. That is about it in this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you're interested in this Oleada bag or this bag, feel free to check them out, and don't forget to use my code Oleada to get 25% off, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!